Dixi, Froyd, is a great mnemonic device to help you remember which of our words, which of our concepts go together. Dixi puts together all of the words that go with domain. Domain is the set of all possible x values. It's the set of all possible inputs. And the third word that goes with that grouping is the set of all possible independent variables, or value of the independent variable. So domain, Dixi, input, x, independent. Dixi, input, x, independent. Next section really goes with range. So this actually was originally Dixi-Royd, and we added the F, which I'll explain in a second. So Dixi-Royd, the Royd part tells me what words go with range. So range is the y values, we know that. It's also the set of all possible outputs. This is a D. It's the set of all possible values of the dependent variable. Domain, input, x, independent. Range, output, y, dependent. Will you ever have to fill in a chart like this? No. Hopefully this is just something that can help you remember domain, x, range, y. Now we did add this F. I don't really exactly remember where we got Dixi-Royd from originally, but we added the F to help you remember. Let's use a different color. Just use black here. To remember that f of x is just another way of expressing our y, our output, our dependent variable. The reason I'm putting it in a different color is it's important to note that f of x is the only word on this page that is only used with functions. So every relation has a domain, inputs, x values, independent variables. A relation has a range, outputs, y values, dependent variable. F of x is a word, though, that we can only use with functions. It's function notation. So f of x is the same as y for a function.